Hey everyone, Brian Turner, CCS, back again with Ben from SDI. We're kind of doing a little series with SDI today because we've got quite a few products. I mean, you guys, like I said, I've been looking through your catalog. You sell, I see you sell nuts and bolts and all kinds of stuff.
We sell quite a bit.
To get the job done.
We're a big manufacturer and supplier of stainless steel products.
Well, speaking of stainless steel products, we've got some gating here. This is not to protect us from you. This gating is set up to go into hog barns.
Yes.
And let's just start down here at this end here. So let's talk about this. This is looks like it's stainless steel. And
yeah, this is our stainless option. This is the one we've had out for ever since we've been around.
Okay.
Kind of pretty standard. We get the 5/8 tube, 1.5 inch tube, the stainless foot pads, and all posts with that too.
Well, that looks well built.
Yeah, and we do nursery and wean to finish, both in that size.
Okay, very good. And now these are made where again?
Alexandria, South Dakota.
Okay.
Everything's once again 304 stainless in every component of this.
Oh, very good. And which is important because you get in those environments. A lot of times, a lot of growers, they have fencing. They penning in their barns. What's one of the first things that go?
A lot of things that go is the foot pads or the down towards the post, down towards the bottom. Basically stuff that's more in the manure, things towards the floor.
And one of the things I noticed, Ben, and I know you're going to tell us here in just a little bit, but all your feet are stainless steel, it looks like, right?
Yep. We're kind of happy to announce we're now doing some mild steel gating too.
Okay.
For that option for different producers that looking for that. One thing that's really nice is we are going to supply all stainless posts, foot pads.
That's important.
All that with that's going to be kind of standard with our system.
And so what that does, I think everybody knows this, but if you don't, once it gets in a barn, very corrosive environment, I'm sure as everybody knows. But this is one of the things with the stainless steel feet. It'll be there for a long time.
Yeah.
And they're easy to maintain. I mean, you wash them, you don't have to worry about them. I noticed this one here is you've powder coated this.
Yeah, this one's it kind of shows you three options here. The raw finish, the galvanized, and the powder coat. That's the nursery. These are the two wean to finish. Some of the options. I won't say options, but standards and some of the nice things about it. The features. We use 5/8 solid rod on our wean to finish, 7/8 on the bottom. On the nurseries, we use 1/2 inch and 3/4 on the bottom.
Okay.
So it's real beefed up material. One other thing is if you can see here, maybe it's on this side. Yeah, we have all these lasered. So these rods actually go through here. So they're not only welded, they're welded all the way around. Plus, you have a little extra support in there.
I see that. That's good. That's important. And by the way, folks, this is our microphone. It is not included with any SDI products.
Yes.
But I like the way it's built because coming from a manufacturing background, what that does is show robustness. It shows the fact that it's going to be in your barn for a long, long time. I like the fact of galvanized. I'm not really for sure why anybody would want to paint them, but to each their own as far as that's concerned.
I'll hide that microphone again.
Yeah, that's good. So now this is something unique. Tell me what you got here.
Yeah, this is actually a post that we're actually making for one of your projects right now.
And thanks for mentioning us, by the way.
Yes. We're doing a nursery gating and job for you guys, a project, and it's basically a post is going to be utilized like this, where 4 pins or 4 gates from 4 pins kind of go into each other. And this particular customer wanted something rigid, really heavy duty, and not just having the gates attach each other in a small little foot pad. So we utilized making up a big heavy post.
So I'll tell you a story. The reason that is with this particular customer, he has 4 or 5 barns right now, and they're older. Some are older, some are newer. But what he's found out is that it may cost a little bit more to go with all stainless and this kind of robust construction, but it lasts so much longer. Your ROI on this type of product, if you buy it right the first time, your ROI is incredible, isn't it?
Well, and we found out, in coming up with this idea of, with us getting into the mild steel, a lot of people will do powder coat posts and whatnot, and then they'll wrap the bottoms with stainless and stuff like that. we looked into it and we done some studies and we realized that you're really not any far ahead
Right.
by doing that, by just going straight to the stainless right away.
Yeah, and it just makes sense, and that would be the first thing we'd recommend too. Love your product, Ben. I tell you, you guys, you do a great job. It looks like good quality work. And now, as far as the pending height, is it standard or?
No, we have different heights on there, 30 and 32 inch for nursery,
Okay.
34, 36, 38, 40 inch for wean to finish.
Okay. Well, you know, as you get older, you want the lower ones because you gotta, you know, we know how this works, right, guys? So that's very important because you don't want to do anything that would be weird. So when you have this, what do you guys would you ever come out and say, hey, you know, if I call you up and say, you know, Ben, I don't know exactly what I need, or I think I do. Can you come out and see?
Absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely, and a lot of times, you know, and especially in these remodel time that we're in, or remodel barns, we'd actually love to come out and measure it, make sure we get everything right, do everything right, and get you a quote.
Perfect. Well, there's a couple ways you can get a hold of the fine folks at SDI. You can get a hold of us through CCS, and we can help you. Or how can we do that, Ben? How can we get a hold of you?
You can get a hold of us through our website, sdimfg.com, or you can even give us a call at 605-239-4291.
There you go. So thanks, folks. See you later.